Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life? No, because she's, oh my goodness, she ran away. Would you ever consider moving abroad to be your partner? Because, some foreigners, they prefer living abroad instead of coming here in the Philippines.
Maybe yes, maybe no. It depends upon the situation. If they accept my children.
Good luck to them.
That's it. Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Today we are in Goa, Bicol, Philippines to interview Filipinas and ask, would you marry someone you do not love for a better life? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life?
For me, I think no, since love is unconditional. So I won't marry someone just to have a better life. So if I don't love someone, why would I marry him? So for the sake ng I won't use someone to become a to become for my life to become better. So I would rather be better or make myself better to achieve the better life.
Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life?
No, because
No, because she's, oh my goodness, she ran away. Come here, Be. she flew. Okay, come back. So, what? Your answer is no because
I am not genuinely happy. So I prepare that I will marry someone that I can be happy.
so that person is going to be the one that you love,
Yes
right?
po.
Okay. Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life?
For me, no, because I don't want any wealth for especially men or women. I can handle my own things and I can take care myself.
Oh, independent. So you can take care of yourself. Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life?
For me, no, because for me, love is very important. So that I don't, don't loading.
It's okay. So you do not prefer, like, I mean, you prefer to marry with someone that you love, not because you are, you just want to have a better life, right?
Yeah. Siyempre, yes, a better life is important to us. But for me, the most is love because love, ano baga? Loading. Joke.
Love is
Love is, ano ba ang love? Basta love is important. Sa akin lang yan. Ano?
Okay.
So, yan.
For her, on her opinion, love is important than having a better life. Would you marry someone you do not love for a better life?
Practical saying, I would prefer to marry someone with a financial stable. Practically saying, because I know that time will come, or I hope that time will come, I can learn to love that someone.
So since mom said yes, I'm very curious right now. Okay, since you said yes, may we know your current financial situation?
So, I am a licensed teacher here in our town, but hoping to be a public teacher soon. But I am a independent woman.
Wow, that's beautiful. So, mom is a teacher, licensed teacher actually. Do you have any kids, mom?
No, nah, I don't have any kids because I am single.
Okay, single. I think a lot of you are now thinking like, how old is mom? How old are you po, mom?
Turning 28 this year.
She doesn't look like 28. Earlier, I thought they're students. I approached them like, like normal, like I really thought they're students. And then I found out later on they're teachers. Oh my God. Okay, anyway, are you able to provide for your family?
Um, yes, because I am the breadwinner of my family. I am the one financially my sibling, one only.
So you're two. Two sets. Okay. Mom, so you would sacrifice love over a better life, as you mentioned earlier. But do you think deep down inside, it's not right to not love your partner?
I believe that loving someone, you have to get the chance to know him more first before you love that person, because loving someone is free to all. But when that someone respected your opinion, your perception in life, that's um the mampakat.
That's like a gold, right?
Yes, that's the
Yes. It's like you married that person to have a better life at the same time you fall in love, right? In the process.
there's always a chance naman.
There's always a chance. I like that. Do you know anyone in a relationship with no love but just a good life? Like family, friends, or acquaintance?
In my family or friends, I haven't seen anyone that marry someone that they didn't love just because for money. So none. I haven't seen anyone.
Okay, but are you aware that there are, Filipinas out there in a relationship just to have, a better life?
Yeah, I've seen a lot since on social medias there are a lot of women who use the some apps or dating apps to marry someone that is beyond or rich. That's all. But I have no prejudice against that.
Okay, I see. I'm just very curious now. How is your financial situation, you and your family?
So our financial status is not that above or not sobrang taas, but we are in the middle. Like sakto lang we can provide for our daily needs. So yeah, middle we're in the middle class.
Middle class.
Yeah, not so poor and not so rich.
Are you studying or you're done?
Yeah, I'm still studying. I am second year college.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.
Oh, that's why. Her English is actually good. I'm very impressed because usually province girls, Filipino province girls, they're very shy. They're not confident to speak in English. But you, I'm very impressed.
Yeah, thank you. So in our course, we need it. We need to raise our, the shyness in order to go with the class. So that's all.
Do you know anyone in a relationship with no love, but just only a better life? Like a family, friends, or acquaintance, let's say?
Um,
No. So all your friends or family, the people that you know, they got married because of love.
Yes.
But are you aware that there are Filipinas out there, maybe even at your age, they're in a relationship because they want to have a better life, even they don't love the person.
Yes.
What can you say about that? Do you have any comment to those, to those Filipinas out there?
Good luck to them.
That's it. Okay, you come here. So she said, "Good luck, good luck to them." Okay. Anyway, are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth. Okay. What course are you taking?
Bachelor of secondary education, major in English.
Are you still studying, right?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
BSED, Early Childhood, Bachelor of Early Childhood Education.
So you will be a teacher, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
In a month.
A month
But I
ago.
have a sweeter now.
Oh, she has a sweeter now. I see. Okay. Well, anyway, are you aware that there are, a lot of Filipinas, especially maybe your age, that are in a relationship just to have a better life? Are you aware of that?
Yes, I'm aware of that, and also I can see in any social media that they married like in other country like a farm. And I think there's nothing love, just a money.
Just money. Why do you think so? Like why do you think they're, do you think they can't really take care of themselves or they cannot find a job? That's why they're only, they rely on those they rely to, foreigners.
Maybe yes. I think it's because of the poverty here in Philippines. I think.
Because of poverty here in the Philippines. That's why they choose to be with the foreigner.
Yes, right.
Okay. Do you have
For me,
for you?
I think, in
That's-
my opinion.
Okay. Yeah, well, we respect that. That's your opinion. Everyone has their own opinion. Okay, and we respect that. But at least you are aware, right?
Yes, yes, I'm aware of that.
Okay. And she saw it from all over social media, just like what she said earlier. Mom, I'm just very curious right now. How is your financial situation right now? Like your current financial situation? Since you picked love. So I'm just curious.
For now, I'm single mom. So, my financial assistance is came from my family and also to my brothers. Then I have ano ba yung sasabihin ko? I have a small business. Then I am online seller. Then I'm cook some foods, Filipino foods, so that my financial assistance is enough for me.
Your financial situation is
Yeah.
actually enough. Okay, good. Okay, so you're a single mom. How many kids do you have po?
3.
That's a lot. Are you
Yeah.
planning to have more?
No.
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 So since you're a single mom, do you see yourself like in the future with a foreigner, let's say, or would you date a foreigner in the future?
Kinakabahan ako.
She said she's nervous.
I'm nervous. So that maybe yes, maybe no. It depends upon the situation. If they accept my children, why not?
Would you date a foreigner, ma'am?
Maybe.
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 Okay, let's say in the future, would you ever consider moving abroad to be your partner? Because some foreigners they prefer living abroad instead of coming here in the Philippines.
Okay, I'm not closing that. I'm not closing that opportunity naman. But I would rather to choose staying here in Philippines because there's a lot of opportunities here because this country is a lot to offer. A lot to offer naman.
I see. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much from Salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you very much.